Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you Hrmifly complete HM management system. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, total employees, total active employees, total inactive employees, and employees under you, pending approvals, then attributes, advance, then clock. So many function you can see. Another option is employees, department. All you can create, shift, you can edit and delete also. All function is similar. You can add types, edit and delete also. Then assert, add, edit and delete also. You can view holidays, weekend, all holidays. All you can edit and delete also. Award, level type, remaining level, unpaid level, paid level. All you can see attendance detail, summary, attendance, news. You can add new news, edit and delete also. And payroll, payment, employee salary, payrolls, income and promotion, and company policy, offboarding, letterhand, date, forms, finance, account, fees, deposit, expense, deposit category, expense category. All you can create. In setting, many option you can customize, translation, roles, employee, currency, location, PDF font, HRM settings, role settings, employee, email settings, storage, backup, update. You can customize your file. If you need it, check the link in the description. For the installing help, contact us.